Welcome to the menu, and today we're going to be making homemade pizza.
I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it.
All right, so now we are going to prepare our pizza. So what do you guys plan on doing with yours?
So for my pizza, I'm going to put marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and bacon.
And then you?
For mine, I plan on doing Alfredo sauce as the base. I have garlic chicken and bacon. Diablo chicken.
And then?
Truffle oil that I got from France. And then I also happen to have mozzarella cheese.
All right, and then for me, I plan on just putting on some marinara sauce, some mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni. And when they are all done and prepared, we will come back to you guys before we put them in the oven. So enjoy this time of us just setting them up. All right, so we have done preparing our pizzas. So now we are going to put them in the oven, and we're gonna have the oven. We have the oven at 425 at the moment, and we're gonna cook them to 7 to 10 minutes. It depends on how well or how done you want your pizza.
And the crust.
And the crust to be like
Crispy.
and golden.
Alrighty.
All right, so we'll see you then.